Hello friends, in this video we will discuss genetics of Rh factor. We know that Rh, or you can say rhesus factor, is an antigen that is present on RBC of our blood. So this factor is controlled by R gene. This R gene have two alleles, that is capital R and small r. It have two alleles, capital R and small r. This capital R is dominant allele and this small r is recessive allele. So a person can have Rh antigen or Rh antigen is absent in that person. So a person which have Rh antigen is called Rh positive, and person in which Rh antigen is absent, then that person will be called Rh negative. So person which is Rh positive may have genotype, either it may have capital R, or its genotype may be capital R, small r, because this R is dominant. So here it will express itself in homozygous condition and also in heterozygous condition. So in both these cases, when two copy of capital R are present and one copy of capital R is present, then it will express itself and it will form Rh antigen. So when it will form Rh antigen, then person will be Rh positive. If genotype of person is small r, then no antigen is formed. If no antigen is formed, then person will be Rh negative. So this Rh factor is controlled by a gene, that is R gene, and this R gene have two copies, capital R and two alleles, that is capital R and small r. If two copy of capital R is present, then it is Rh positive. If one copy of capital R and one copy of small r, one allele that is capital R and one allele that is small r is present, then it will be Rh also Rh positive. When two copy of small r are present, then it will be Rh negative. Let's understand this with the example. Suppose a person that is Rh positive marries a woman that is Rh negative, or vice versa, then what will be the probability of this Rh factor in their children? So we know that this Rh positive, genotype of this Rh positive may be capital R, or maybe capital R, small r. Then we will cross it with, we know that genotype of Rh negative is small r. So when we cross it with capital R, small r, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, capital R, small r. If the genotype is homozygous dominant for R gene, then all will be Rh positive. If it is heterozygous dominant and we cross it with Rh negative, then what will we get? Capital R, small r, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, then 2 will be Rh positive and 2 will be Rh negative. These two will be Rh negative. So a person with Rh positive rhesus factor marries a Rh negative, then what will be the probability of having Rh positive and Rh negative in their children? So here we have 8 probabilities, 8 children. Suppose 4 from here, and all 4 from here are Rh positive, and from there 2 are Rh positive, and another 2 are Rh negative. So here out of 8, 6 are Rh positive and 2 are Rh negative. So we can see that when Rh positive marries a woman with Rh negative factor, or it's vice versa, then 75% is probability of having a children with Rh positive factor, and 25% is probability of having a children with Rh negative factor.